Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. As we look ahead to 2024, the kitchen is set to undergo exciting and innovative design trends that blend functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability. The kitchen, being the heart of the home, is continuously evolving to accommodate the changing needs and preferences of homeowners. Here are some kitchen trends expected to make waves in 2024. 1. Sustainable materials. Environmental consciousness is a prevailing theme in 2024, with a focus on sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Expect to see a surge in kitchen designs incorporating renewable resources like bamboo, reclaimed wood, recycled glass, and low-impact countertops made from recycled materials. 2. Biophilic design. Bringing the outdoors in is gaining momentum in 2024, with biophilic design principles being integrated into kitchen spaces. This trend embraces natural elements, such as living green walls, potted plants, and large windows that flood the kitchen with natural light and create a connection to nature. 3. Smart kitchens. Technology continues to shape the modern kitchen, and 2024 will witness even smarter kitchens. From voice-activated appliances and touchless faucets to smart refrigerators with inventory management systems, these tech-savvy features enhance convenience, efficiency, and energy savings. 4. Statement lighting. Lighting takes center stage in 2024 kitchen designs. Unique and eye-catching pendant lights, chandeliers, and sculptural fixtures serve as statement pieces, elevating the kitchen style while providing functional task lighting. 5. Bold color choices. While neutrals have been dominating kitchen design for some time, 2024 will see a resurgence of bold and vibrant colors. Deep blues, rich greens, and dramatic blacks will be used for cabinetry, accent walls, and kitchen islands, infusing personality and charm into the space. 6. Multifunctional islands. Kitchen islands continue to evolve into versatile and multifunctional hubs. In 2024, islands will integrate features like built-in wine refrigerators, pop-up power outlets, hidden storage, and even indoor herb gardens, making them essential for food preparation, entertaining, and family gatherings. 7. Open shelving. Open shelving is gaining popularity in 2024, offering a more accessible and decorative way to display kitchenware and decor. This trend contributes to a sense of openness and airiness while showcasing curated collections of dishes and kitchen accessories. 8. Textured finishes. In line with the rise of tactile design elements, textured finishes like ribbed cabinetry, hammered metal accents, and natural stone backsplashes will be prominent in 2024 kitchens, adding depth and visual interest to the space. 9. Concealed appliances. Seamless integration of appliances will be prevalent in 2024, with concealed refrigerators, dishwashers, and ovens hidden behind custom cabinetry to create a cohesive and streamlined appearance. 10. Hygienic surfaces. The focus on health and cleanliness will continue. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!